ItsYaBoy AjJr back with another one. I'm going to be teaching you how to make hand sanitizer. The things you're going to need: a measuring cup, 91% alcohol, aloe vera, and then tea tree oil. You're going to need 1 part of aloe vera, then 3 parts of 91% alcohol. And let's get started.
So put it to the floor. Let's part that.
You can even use your bare body.
It's really good.
You can just do it for a couple minutes. I want to add some more aloe vera to make it thicker.
You have it here? Okay.
Now we're going to add a few drops of tea tree oil. Now I'm going to use an empty bottle of hand sanitizer that was old, and inside of it I'm going to pour my new hand sanitizer. So my hand sanitizer came out really good, and this is how it looks. It's light green. And now I'm going to try it. It's all clean, but it's not actually all clean because I still have markers. I did class today and I colored a robot, and I made a robot by myself and I colored it. Thanks for watching. Always wear a mask in the store and stay safe. And always, when you touch stuff, use hand sanitizer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Peace out.